Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So basically I'm going to be starting a different type of channel. Well, I'm just going to be going down a different route. I'm going to be reviewing trends in the nutrition industry, the gym industry, the food industry, the industry. So a lot of you guys don't know, but for the last 8 years of my life, I have been studying nutrition extensively. So when I was younger, I used to have really bad acne and I just didn't really feel healthy. Um, my brother also was quite overweight at the time and we were the same age because we're twins. So at that time, when we were younger, we both decided it was about time to go on some sort of diet where we were going to eat clean, get ourselves together. So as we started to learn more about nutrition, we realized that most of the foods that populate the food industry and processed food industry are just completely bad for you. So that includes sugar, added sugar, wheat, breads, vegetable oils, a lot of grains. What we came to understand was that if it's high GI, it's basically shit for you. So I'm not gonna go right into the realm of why these foods are bad for you today, because I feel like today I just want to kind of scope out this one specific Instagram page that is kind of annoying me. I woke up this morning, I looked at my phone, and I saw this page which was basically telling me they had the most nutritious bottle of milk. It's just another trend trying to come out, another fake natty. I have seen so many just utter crap advertising for nutrition products that are actually so bad for you, and if you drunk them or consume them, ate them, whatever, every day, then you're gonna have bad health. That's just it. And also guys, I understand viewpoints from vegan, vegetarian, all that stuff. I'm not against any of that, so I'm pretty open-minded in that sense. But today, yeah, so everything that I've learned over the years, I make sure that it's been cross-referenced, that I've seen actual scientific studies on it, and I know that it's legit basically. So I would never just read something like in an article. Like I can show you now. Well, watch this now. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So right now I'm going to type in, is bread bad for you? Okay, let's have a look. Let's see. Is bread bad for you? Some argue that the industrial bread production means too many preservatives, additives, salt, making it unhealthy, but bread can be a good source, both carbohydrates and whole grains. So as you can see, that's quite contradictive. Already, in that one statement, that contradiction is unreal. So, some argue that the industrial bread production means too many preservatives, added salt, making it unhealthy. But bread can also be a good source of both carbohydrates and whole grains. What the fuck is it on about? So it's bad, some may argue, but it's also good. You can't have good and bad. So yeah, anyway, that's why I'm bringing out these sorts of videos, so you guys can have a better understanding of, well, the main trends that are going on at the moment, and if they're actually good or bad for you. The main reason I made this video today is because I want to show you an Instagram page that filled me with delight. And basically that is YFOOD. Let's go over to YFOOD. Okay, so we are gonna go over to YFOOD. YFOOD, I don't know, what a stupid name. YFOOD, it's not even food. So basically YFOOD are preaching that they have a, well, food replacement slash protein shake slash, well, it does everything for you basically that you could ever want it to do without having to think about what you're consuming, and it's all in a shake. So if we go down here, let's have a little look. So my first thing when I saw this was, I kind of want to see what's in it. It's too early today. I'm actually on a full fast at the moment today, so I have not eaten yet. Oh, no thank you. Okay, so let's have a scroll down. Where's the main video that I saw earlier? Was it on this page maybe? Like I said, I've been researching nutrition for a long time now. I never just read an article and take it as it is. It has to be cross-referenced, researched extensively, scientific studies, seen, and I'm always open to science changing because it always does. So I know these are getting really popular at the moment and everybody's after them, and every time I switch on my phone and look at whatever main influencers, Instagram influencers I see, they are holding one of these bad boys here. And I think, yeah, cool. Smart food, no junk food. Okay, so a complete healthy meal, handy drink, whatever, 0% refrigerated, 100% taste, right? So watch this now. If I scroll down here, and where was it? So, okay, it says lactose-free, nice, gluten-free, ooh, high in protein, vitamins and fiber, 3 to 5 hours satisfaction. There's no way they can judge that. There's no way they can judge it. And by the looks of it, there's not much in that bottle anyway. But that's not why we're here. We are here to dissect what is actually inside this drink and why it is potentially bad for you or potentially good, which I very much doubt. So let's find out more. Okay, let's find out more about this product. So I kind of want to know what's in it. How many calories, what allergens, ingredients. Okay, cool. Says you want to know for sure. Okay, guys, this website just asked me if I want to know for sure what's in the ingredients. They should just be labeled easily for you to see. They should be. And if they're not, that means one thing. They're false. So, you want to know, so they're saying you want to know for sure? Then take a look at this product label with a detailed list of ingredients. And I had a little peek of this earlier. And to be fair, I was pretty devastated because as soon as you click this button, watch what happens. Okay, let me try that again. So apparently nothing's happening right now. While using the website, no, maybe I have to click OK. No idea. Let me see. Okay. Oh no, I think I just have to scroll. Okay, so it says, so I click that. It says other natural ingredients. Contains the best nature has to offer. Basically, the standard front image that they're trying to portray here. 33 grams of protein. Yeah, okay, we get that it's got all these things, but what does it actually have inside of it? 7.5 grams of fiber. Okay, I want to find the ingredients. No, I don't want to know what they're saying is. Okay, here we go. So, as soon as you press, what the fuck is in this? A lovely spreadsheet of all the vitamins and minerals that probably can't even be absorbed because that's not how it works. You actually need to eat the foods 99% of the time. Only traces of these vitamins will actually be absorbed. That is why when you take a multivitamin, you piss most of it out. So yeah, it's got everything, you know. It's got a bit of everything. So they've tried to jam pack everything in here, which isn't really hard, to be honest. That's no feat of engineering by any chance. Minerals. So lactose free. Here we have the ingredients. Are you ready, guys, to see what is actually in this? So ingredients: semi-skimmed milk, water milk. It's okay so far, I guess, but still milk. Milk protein, multidextrin. Why would they add this type of sugar when they can add a sweetener which has 0 calories, 0 influence on the body, like xylitol, for instance, or sucralose? The body doesn't really absorb those and it just gets passed through without any problems or anything like that. But I think they do actually have a sweetener in here later on. But for instance, multidextrin in this is a bad thing. Number one, it's bad for your teeth because the bacteria in your teeth live off, well, glucose, which multidextrin is a form of sugar. So that's one thing. So it's not going to be very good for your teeth. The second thing is you're going to have an insulin spike from this sugar because as soon as you consume this, basically you produce a hormone called insulin, and insulin signals your cells to basically store as much energy as they possibly can, called fat. So when you drink this, it's probably gonna send a nice little hello, make me fat. All right, so basically that's what's gonna happen in simple terms. So multidextrin, vegetable oils, rapeseed oils, sunflower oils. These are the 3 most inflammatory oils you could possibly use in any foods. Why do you think America, every single other country around us, has only declined in health in the last 100 years? Because we're on the Western diet. The Western diet consists of fried foods, fast foods, processed foods, deep fried foods, and they all consist of vegetable oils, rapeseed oils, sunflower oils. They use them as a preservative, but guess what? Your body can't even break them down. Your body doesn't know what to do with them, and as soon as they are in your system, your body has an immune inflammatory reaction. And basically, if you think, oh, inflammation isn't that bad, well, inflammation is 99% the cause of most ailments. That's from cancer, strokes, heart disease, diabetes. The list is endless, guys. So yeah, anyway, guys, so far, this is looking pretty bad. Let's keep going. So far, it's got a mix of fat-inducing multidextrin, inflammatory-based sunflower oil. Okay, let's carry on going. Coconut milk, gluten-free oat fiber, rice starch, vitamin A. So it's got rice starch and oat fibers in it. All right, I don't know if you know this, guys, but oats and rice and nearly all grains contain something called phytic acid. And basically, phytic acid, if it's consumed with minerals such as iron and magnesium, it actually bonds to these and stops them from getting absorbed. That's why people who eat a lot of rice, oats, grains become mineral deficient in a lot of different types of minerals and vitamins, because basically they bond to these. So that's not good. So all the vitamins and minerals that they've been adding to this, you can't even absorb them while you're drinking this probably anyway. So the trace amounts that you would get aren't going to be so good. So it says vitamin A, acid, carbon, magnesium, hydroxide, fat, zinc, sulfate, magnesium, chloride, sodium, which isn't so good, potassium, iodine, sodium, citrate, emulsifier, lecithins. Emulsifier lecithins are absolutely crap for your body. It's the same thing. They just have a similar inflammatory kind of effect. And the sweeteners that they use are alsifame. So let me just give a little search, because I haven't done extensive research on this specific sweetener. I think that is a similar one to what they use in Coca-Cola, if I'm right, but aspartame and other sweeteners like that cause a similar inflammatory reaction as sugars and vegetable oils, so they're all bad for you. It's highly versatile. Let me type in health effects. I'm pretty sure this has an effect on the immune system. Contains, oh fuck, guys. Okay, so asulfame contains the carcinogen methylene chloride. Long-term exposure to methylene chloride can cause headaches, depression, nausea, mental confusion, liver effects, kidneys effects, visual disturbances, and cancer in humans. Long-term. They are promoting this drink as a daily substitute. Guys, I literally get so angry, right? Because this is damaging people's health. This is literally damaging people's health all the time. I might not be right about everything, but I just did a simple search. That's it. On one of the ingredients that I are using among the other multiple inflammatories. If you wake up and you drink this, number one, you're dousing yourself with added sugar. You're getting the insulin spike, you're signaling to the cells to, number one, store fat, and number two, you got excess sugar in your bloodstream. That then causes inflammation to the inside of your arteries, which can then later on cause blood clots, strokes, anything like that. Diabetes eventually, because you will become insulin resistant. The second thing is you are eating vegetable oils, sunflower oils, rapeseed oils, which are inflammatories and over long-term effects will mutate cells and can cause cancer, can cause acne, can cause any problem under the sun that is in a medical notebook. Any medical physical issue that could possibly happen to you can be caused via inflammation, so that could be through this. And not only that, they are using a sweetener then as well. So I just don't understand it, guys. This is the worst product I've ever seen, literally. So and that's proof enough right there. Long-term effects. They want you to drink these shakes every day. So guys, stay away from YFOOD. And if you know somebody who's drinking them, please preach out to them not to drink this bullshit, because, and it says here, contains naturally occurring sugars. The thing is, everything on this planet is natural and comes from a natural source. Even if it's chemically made, those chemicals are natural, I guess, aren't they? Just like plastic, I guess you could say, could be classed as natural, because It's just made out of chemicals that we found from the earth. But yet, plastic doesn't decay for 400 years. And that plastic bag that you got from Tesco, it's going to outlive you. So, guys, what I'm trying to say here is, to be fair, I'm just annoyed at this brand. I'm just very much annoyed. And not just at this brand, I'm just annoyed at the industry in general because it's just a massive loophole circle where basically they drag you in, fill you with sugar, ship you off, put you in the hospital. The drug industry gets rich because they're chucking out pills and the cycle goes on. If you really want to know true health, guys, you have to research, cross reference, see the studies, do your homework, and you'll find out what's going on. But anyway, guys, for today's video, that is going to be it. I've ranted on. I was very annoyed when I saw that. But yeah, guys, stay away from YFOOD. If anybody argues with you, send them to my video. And if you want extensive explanations on why these foods are bad for you, then I will link Eric Berg's channel because he's very informative and he really knows his stuff on, well, the Western diet, which we have today, and the food's specifically bad for you, and he will take you in depth to why these foods are actually bad for you. I can explain more if you want, but the thing is, he really has like the visuals and the everything you need to basically fully understand it inside and out. So he is kind of like the teacher in that sense. But yeah, guys, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it actually. So keep safe, eat healthy, work out, and leave comments below and tell me what you guys are doing with your life. So anyway, guys, have fun. See you soon.